I know us brothers do a whole lot of things that make you sisters feel we ain't worth a thing. But let me tell you about this one special thing. When a man's ready to be faithful, it's a feeling no man can deny, and it's a moment no money can buy. Cause when it comes, that's when the plan is done. A woman's victory is won. This is what it means when a man says he needs you. This is what it means when he says he can't breathe without you. This is what it means when he says he can't live a minute without you. This is what it means when the plan is done and your victory is won. That's when he's ready to be faithful. When he feels no shame, crying in pain. When he's ready to be faithful. When he's ready to realize the games don't bring gain. When he's ready to be faithful. Yes, he's ready. Ready to be faithful. Faithfulness is a serious thing, but some of us would really bear the feeling. But when we get hit with the true meaning of when a man's ready to be faithful, we give up games and give you all that you like. We wouldn't even dare to tell you a lie. Cause when it comes, that's when the playing is done. A woman's victory is won. This is what it means when a man says he needs you. This is what it means when he says he can't breathe without you. This is what it means when he says he can't live a minute without you. This is what it means when the plan is done and your victory is won. That's when he's ready to be faithful. When we feel no shame, crying in pain. When he's ready to be faithful. Yeah. That's when he's ready to be faithful. The moment every woman's longing for. That's when he's ready to be faithful. Yes, he's ready. When happiness comes knocking at your door.
My love will make you feel better than your brain on drugs. When I'm ready, I'll be faithful and my love will never rub you wrong, girl. Picture me and you, girl. When the time comes, if it comes, I'll lace you with them diamonds and pearls. Let me know, would you ride with me? If I get locked, would you be there still rolling with me? Would you snitch to the feds cause you know for me? Try to stop me on my grind and build your own dynasty. But if you want to be my shining star, I'll be there, don't worry, just be who you are. I'll give you all you need, that house and that car. I'll give you love, loyalty, I'm faithful.
This is what it means when a man says he needs you. This is what it means when he says he can't breathe without you. This is what it means when he says he can't live a minute without you. This is what it means when the plan is done and your victory is won. That's when he's ready to be faithful. When he feels no shame, crying in pain. Ready to be faithful. Happiness comes knocking at your door. Ready to be faithful. She's still loving me, though I've caused her so much pain. I've done my share of wrong, time and time again. Ooh, she's still loving me, and I can't deny. Oh no. Since she's been in my life, everything's been going fine, and I'm proudly to the world, yeah. She's mine, one and only. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. Oh no. She's mine, one and only. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. 'Cause she's truly mine, and most of what she does makes me feel so good inside. Tell the Lord inside, and I said, oh, she's the right one for me. He made no mistake, and I say this with no apology. Gramps, won't you sing about your lady?
She's still loving me.
Times Square, I do say, oh, you're my Caribbean queen. You're more like an eagle, flying high above the others. More like a wife, not just a lover. No, you do so much for me. Just you being you, I'm if I tell you, makes me feel like I'm king of the world, yeah. Me can't do it all, me Caribbean can't do it alone. No. Caribbean queen in my life. Oh, you're my sunshine every day. Light up my nights like Times Square, I do say, you're my Caribbean queen. You give me love in the morning, love in the evening, love under a glowing moon. Your love is out of this world, oh yes, my Caribbean girl. Oh, I love it when we share your love, I love it even much more when we share it at night time. I know me can't replace this feeling, this love is so revealing, yeah. Expose the whole of my heart, yeah. No, this is what Caribbean girls do to you. Make you express the love you never thought was in you. Ear where the lion say in you. Now let me tell the world, me can't do it all, me Caribbean queen. Ain't no life, no. Caribbean queen in my life. Oh, you're my sunshine every day. Light up my nights like Times Square, I do say, yeah. You're my Caribbean queen. Love we sent to all the women in Jamaica, Antigua, Trinidad and Barbados, St. Lucia, Bahamas, and we can't forget about Turks and Caicos. Oh no, can't forget now. Love to Cuba, Hispaniola, St. Martin and Grenada, Suriname and Guyana, Virgin Islands. Me can't do it all, me Caribbean queen. I'm life, queen, no. Caribbean queen in my life. Oh, my sunshine every day. Light up my nights like Times Square, I do say, oh, you're my Caribbean queen. Caribbean queen.
Oh, na 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 na, na na na. You got the confidence yourself if you wanna make it. What? And motivate yourself if you wanna break it. Yes, now you gotta be no craft. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Though the going gets so tough. Oh no. And keep the fire burn, rise towards the stars, because we're good to win the world. Trample up paganism and back to reality. Irrational liberty, that's the way it ought to be. Then they gonna need a crop. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Though the going gets so tough. Oh no, oh no. You gotta confidence yourself if you wanna make it. What? Yes, you got to motivate yourself if you wanna take it. Yes, you got to speak it into being. Create your own scene. Light your own light. And fight your own fight. Heads up in the scene. And when they are so mean, out of the straight and down to lean. The fire will burn again. And now they gotta be no crumb. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Though the going gets so tough. Oh no, oh no. You gotta confidence yourself if you wanna make it. Boy, yes, you gotta motivate yourself if you wanna take it. Yes, they will try to get you out. Full your mind with doubt. Full your heart with fear. So you know it's no good. Oh na na na. We love the reggae music with the soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, select, don't you turn it down. This is the fire keep burning. Play reggae music with the soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. If you're keeping apart and you want it for hearty, send for the hot girls without all your shorty. Anita, Benisa, Karina, Marina, keep in a session and you want it from. Send for the artists that make them nice obsession. And sound a string up, stage just set up, vibes are built up and the people just all up. Come for listen reggae music with the soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. This is the fire keep burning. Play reggae music with the soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. Music is a mission, not a competition. So tell me why them fighting like them politicians. It's just the music, we got to use it. Don't you abuse it, we can't afford to lose it. Don't lock up my mind and set my resolution to teach the use the right and be right and not the wrong. Big up my neighbors, big up my brothers, big up the elder, every other entertainers. Everywhere me go, I hear them say, are you from a reggae band? Everywhere me go, me hear them say, can I have a picture? Everywhere I go, me hear them say, can I have your autograph? Everywhere I go, I hear them say, listen, play reggae music with a soothing sound. You got the whole world turning. Turn it off, selector, don't you turn it down. You justify your key.
Oh, yeah. I'm searching for a better way. I'm searching for a better day. Try to keep my feet on the right road, yes. Searching for a better day. Hey. A new day has come, making way for the brighter tomorrow. Yeah. See the rising sun, dry away your tears and your sorrows, yeah. It's not over till it's over, yeah. The struggle goes on, yeah. We seek no crumbs from the slave master stable. Yeah, it's our redemption now. I'm searching for a better way. I'm searching for a brighter day. Yeah, trying to keep my feet on the right road. Yeah, searching for a better day. Yeah. So many times I've been misunderstood. People thinking I'm up to no good. Everybody want come push and shove. I did the things that I know that I should. Quit or try, I got nothing to prove. No, alright, I'm still on the move. All I know, this is the way I choose. And I got none to lose. Searching for a better way. Searching for a better day. Try to keep my feet off the ground, yeah. Searching for a better day. Whoa. I won't be satisfied until I get what I deserve. The skies have no limit, so I wanna fly like a bird. I'll keep on trying until I break that spell. Gotta make it happen all the time. Searching for a better way. I'm searching for a brighter day. Trying to keep my feet on the right road, yeah. Searching for a better day. Searching for a better way. I'm searching for a brighter day. Trying to keep my feet on the right road, yeah. Searching for a better day. Searching for a better way. I'm searching for a brighter day. Trying to keep my feet on the right road, yeah. searching for a better day.
Baby, only for you. Lady, only for you. Love you, Shama. What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, and there's no other like you. Baby, I know I hurt you twice. Promise I'll never hurt you no more. Although I know it's not nice, promise I'll never go back to that door. Although you've got your choice, please make sure the first is secure. I make my sacrifice, only you, no one before. What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, and there's no other like you. Baby, no one but you. Many a times I've tried it, baby, I can't deny it. I just can't live my life a day in this world without you. What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever, and there's no other like you. No. Yeah. This is so special. I tell you, girl, for someone special living in my world, it's only for you. The things that I do, baby. Girl, hope in your heart and let love through. Like every ocean shores where the rivers run to. Back to the arms of the cure where she wanna run to. Let me tell you for sure, you're welcome back to. Baby, anytime you want to. Lady, my love ain't gonna haunt you. Yeah. What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you? Yeah.
El amor es puro. El amor entiende lo que nadie puede entender.
You never see it coming.
Quiero amarte para siempre.
And the next thing you know,
enséñame cómo amar incondicionalmente.
Unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamonds, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love. Unconditional love. Whoa. 1st of January, said you're starting over. Your heart's been in remission, making a new beginning. Yeah. And it's been 6 months since you got sober, taking a new position to make a better decision. Then you head to the corner store and forget what you went for. Just as soon as he says hello, hello, you never see it coming. Then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond,
te tengo a ti, te amo para siempre, te amo eternamente. Tú me enseñaste cómo amar y por eso te agradezco. Te amo, papi. Te amo, mi amor.
You never see it coming, then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamonds, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love. Whoa. The 14th of February, got a cold shoulder from someone so unexpected. You left your heart unprotected. Yeah. Then you built a China wall, got it like a soldier. People would call your phone. You act like nobody's home. Yeah.
And I went to the corner store, and I forgot what I went for. Just as soon as you said hello, hello, I never saw it coming. And the next thing I know, unconditional love, unconditional love. I ain't looking for no diamonds, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love.
You never see it coming, then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love.
I ain't looking for no diamonds,
Ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love, unconditional love. Whoa,
No necesito nada ni a nadie.
whoa,
Si te tengo a ti,
whoa.
te amo para siempre. Te amo.
Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Feel the vibe. Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Come join the line. Start out in Jamaica, on to Antigua, back to Barbados, on to St. Marta. From the Caribbean, we welcome the world. These ladies happen once in a lifetime. Come join the fun. Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Feel the vibe. Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Come join the line. Calling Australia, calling India, calling Pakistan, calling England, calling South Africa, New Zealand. Invitation to the whole wide world, coming at you from Jungle Land. Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Feel the vibe. Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Come join the Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Feel the vibe. Come on, everybody. Everything's alright. The Caribbean that's in the one big party. Come join the line.
Just a good time swing, the sunshine party makes everything feel alright.
Jump up and spin, won't you come join me and sing a little thing 3 times. If you're gonna drop and roll, if you're gonna clap and roll, and you won't stop for sure, cause you came to party and more.
Come on, everybody, everything's alright. It's just in the one big party. Feel the vibe. Come on, everybody, everything's alright. It's just in the one big party. Come join the vibe. Rock it to the floor, 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 rock it to the floor. In the Caribbean, island. Come on, everybody, everything's alright. It's just in the one big party. Feel the vibe.
Come on, like Nigeria. No broadcast it, yeah. Broadcast it. This are no wonder in a basket. The headlines say what's next now. All eyes on Kingston Town. Caribbean queens gone wild. What has the world come to now? The mafia youths are skin out and call it entertainment talk. This is how they made it. And for the girls to be successful, them have to half naked.
Sometimes we can't tell the man from the woman, no. And we can't tell the boys from the girls. No one of politicians done dirty. And then we voting for run the world, yo.
No hunter, but I know if they talk it caught.
The whole world I feel it.
The truth is an offense, but y'all set us free. It's time for the return of roots and culture. The return of the return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall.
Never ever.
A long time the one about the changes. Nothing before the time it was stated. So much things get overrated.
Now it's time for the real to replace it, yeah.
Come along, children, come along.
Yeah.
Hear the voices of the archangels sing along. Come along, children, come along. Sing along with the world. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall.
How they tell them never fight against Rasta. When we tell them about the Father. No things gone out to order. His only roots and culture can restore things and
all over the world.
Yeah.
The same complaint is driving the masses insane. All over the world.
Yeah.
I hear the masses chant and say, yeah, give me roots, 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 give me roots. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall. Yeah, come along, children, come along. Hear the voices of the archangels sing along.
Them can't see I. All when them plot against me, the most I free I. From all the wickedness them try come do I. But mine I kill them cause them see me still a rise I. Rise I, them can't see I. All when them plot against me, the most I free I. From all the wickedness them try come do I. But mine I kill them cause them see me still a rise I. Rise I. No Jah bless, no man curse. I know I am not the worst. And just like the wicked try to destroy Mother Earth, I saw them try to hurt, I break, I curse, but them can't now. Cause when I rise with the rising sun, I give Jah glory, walk like the God's son. Knowing Jah is by my side, the wicked can't hide. That's why them can't see I. All when them plot against me, the most I free I. From all the wickedness them try come do I. But mine I kill them cause them see me still a rise I. Rise I, them can't see I. All when them plot against me, the most I free I. From all the wickedness them try come do I. But mine I kill them cause them see me still a rise I. Rise I.
Jah forever break the bands asunder, so they will never see me under their oppression, under segregation. I no fear no weapon, Jah is thy protection. And though life can be hard sometimes, your enemies can make life even harder, but Jah is thy protector, yeah. That's why them can't see I. All when them plot against me, the most I free I. From all the wickedness them try come do I, but mine I kill them, cause them see me still a rise I. Rise I, them can't see I. All when them plot against me, the most I free I. From all the wickedness them try come do I, but mine I kill them, cause them see me still a rise I. Rise I. No for them I serve a God where them no know bad mind take all of them, and them no love to see me grow. Grow in the sight of Jah, in the light of Jah. Prosperity, Jah bless me with round ya. Yeah, I love me still I show them, even though they fight against me with no end. I am nothing like them, that's why they can't see I. All when them plot against me, the most I free I. From all the wickedness them try come do I, but mine I kill them, cause them see me still a rise I. Rise I, them can't see I. Tell me how I no, no, no. No, 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 no.
It's a
Tell me how I and I feel survive when you make it hard again. How the youth them figure school when you win and the money they spend. How the crime rate figure down when you import the gun them. And street life hard me friend, yeah. Blood sucking vampires, yo, it's all about them. All when the youths are ball for food, them careless, me friend. Separation to a nation, generation X, me friend. Now why you not the end? Hey, cause it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. Yeah.
Them no know how we youths go to school now, college facing collateral damage. Them no know how we find the oats put in the pot and boil little porridge. Them no know how we hustle hard, forget the little gungo plus the little cabbage. Them no know how we manage. Them no know say that's why the youths go so savage. Them no know say when we are hustle hard in the street, I fi carry on do a can't still a beat. Them no know say more time when we are run about chicken back outside in a beat. Them no know about cassava, the quarter, the half a bird. Them no care if we son or we daughter, they're the mark and the rich. Sink us right now, poor people out there.
It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we.
Them no care.
A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. But still them not stop with China unemployment line. We all go hustle non-stop because we're born in the struggle. Watch them, I try and figure we out. How them not get we out.
Yo, the big guys put tax on tax, but that not okay. Then them relax like that is okay. Them even tax a box, a cigarette tax box. Poor people left them in a debt. Them no care which part the youth sleep. Them no care where poor people find food to eat. Cause if a pan for them property, we are got with them jail, we are kick, we are street. Alright then, it easy if we get robbed and get a job. Easy if you grab a bag and turn your one a doorknob, yeah. So when the youths them lay down on the sidewalk, I know them at the system a skylark.
Yo, it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. Yeah.
Yeah, me up for chant.
So they say, so I do it anyway. These are the words I say every day. Before I strap up, I say, yo, Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll cover you again.
Yeah, click up, another gunshot. Nothing innocent, lose them like Judas. Yeah, the wicked rejoice. Yeah, the wicked rejoice. Still, I won't fear, cause I know clear. Jack got my walk everywhere out there. Yeah, that's why I rejoice. Yeah, my prayer to Jah. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll cover you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll cover you again.
It's a daily routine to live in the dream. They simply take hold of our minds. I swear it begins because to lose control of the mind of the people is destruction to the matrix. Then the empire comes tumbling in. You see, we live in the times where evil men be on the rise, making war, taking lives, corrupted leaders, taking bribes. So keeping your soul revived is worth the risk. They'll put you in the twilight zone and you're right back where you
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll cover you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today.
Babylon Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Babylon Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Babylon Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Dress up like a lizard, them look like a wizard. Some try dress up like a monk, and still I look like a punk. Some dress up like a zombie, them a sit think they can rob with. Some dress up like a fake, they can't walk through Rasta gate. World becomes a Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. The world is an Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Some things say them smart, but Rastafari won't get caught. Some say that they're great, they can't come through a gate. Checks the Rasta blind, they try to treat us unkind. Corruption you create, I instilling on the youths their mind. Take some man a fake, Emperor Selassie is my fate. To the better set the things straight. Rastafari no take a Babylon bait. Them a Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Babylon Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Say them a Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. World is an Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Well, Babylon you can't trick quick, the Babylon you can't flick quick. It's just you set the thing the way it's supposed to set, and set the things how it's supposed to be. We come to set the record straight. Tell it go and yes you penetrate. Teach the youths how to operate, yes. Teach the youths how to dress, yes. No make the youths to dress up like Marcus Garvey. Go tell the youths to dress up like Sister Nanny. Hey, tell the youths to dress up like Empress Men and everything will be blessed with no stress, yes. The world becomes an Halloween, Halloween, yeah, hard Rasta-y. The world is an Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Living in a Halloween, Halloween, yeah, hard Rasta-y. The world comes on Halloween, Halloween, yeah, Halloween. Hey, we be hailing the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords and the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. And live His law and love His law and praise His law and bless His law. While them a Halloween, Halloween, yeah, We've been fighting and fighting for a cause. Fight to set the people free. Perseverance and continuity. We will set the captives free. But my people don't fair. My people don't fair. God shall we guide you everywhere. Here we go. Keep on working. While they keep on fighting, they keep turning. Here we go. Keep on working. While they keep on fighting, they keep turning. Climbing to the top, ain't no turning back. Rastafari guide the flock, guide the flock. Never tick off the clock, never lose my track. Ain't no turning back. Here we go. Keep on working. While they keep on fighting, the tables keep turning. Girl, you got me under your skin, and it keeps on burning within. True love bursts, reflection of love. Too hot that beat us. Yes, you got me under your skin, and it keeps on burning within. True love bursts, reflection of love. Too hot that beat us. I don't wanna fight for love, cause we got the rights to love. With your love you make me see so clear. I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna cry for love, cause we got the rights to love. With you, girl, this life we must share. I'll tell you that. She don't believe in cheating, gold digging, fast food eating, late night living, gossiping, intoxicating. That's not my girl. Not my girl. My girl. My girl. She don't believe in trading body piercing, skin bleaching, falls and dancing. Oh no, no, not my girl. Not my girl. She believe in what she believe in, yes. Girl, you got me under your skin, and it keeps on burning within. True love bursts, reflection of love. Too hot that beat us. Yeah, you got me under your skin, and it keeps on burning within. My true love bursts, reflection of love. Too hot that beat us. Hello, honey bunny, sunshine, moonshine, darling. Your loving keep me solid, keep me grounded, keep me out of high. There is no girl in this world to compare with. I'm not saying that you're perfect, but I know you always grounded, girl. You keep your head high. High. See me again. I'ma call you fate, cause I can run away and catch back up to you. You're hot like the sun, gotta find a shade so I can get away from you. When I go to eat food, you're at the restaurant, working at the register. Is this a sign? Hey, am I going on my mind? Hey, well it's something like a deja vu, girl. Oh, I keep running into you, girl. Got my heart so confused, girl. I don't wanna play every day, sunny day. I pray, Jaja leads the way. Zion highway, sunny day, I pray, that leads the way, the Zion highway. Now I'm on a journey, always gonna stop me. I see no one in my way. It's even more Listen, last year needs a way. If it takes more than birds to sing, to let them know he's the only king of kings. Let their blessing pure. Emperor Selassie, sunny day, I pray. Jaja needs a way. Zion, I sunny day, I pray. That leads the way. Zion, when the king is passing, wicked out is mousing. We can easily be taken away. But for them I hate them, long time rust I see them. None of them can come chase I away. Sunny day, I pray. Jaja leads the way. Cause I am highway. Sunny day, I pray. Jaja leads the way. Cause I am highway. Some moon is shining, just stars are shining. And Jah will bless a brighter day. No for them I hate them, long time rest I see them. So let's see if we cleanse your ways. Do some good today. Tread on to Zion way. Sunny day, I pray. Jaja leads the way. To Zion highway. Sunny day, I pray. I see no one in my way. It's even more than words can say. Yeah. I listen last year, I need to play. If it takes more,
Jah give it and it I care. See the sun overhead shining bright. You and you, it feels so nice. Yes, I know Jah made this light. I've seen the sun overhead shining bright. To you and you, it feels so nice. Yes, I know Jah made this light. Well, I've seen it over Rome. I've seen it here at home. I've seen it in the motherland, even over England. And though they were all different places in location, yeah, all eyes beheld the beauty of Jah creation. Only if we could take the example of Jah's son, yeah, it would help us to live our lives as one. Oh yeah, I've seen the moon in the night shining bright. To you and you, it feels so nice. Yes, I know Jah made this light. I've seen the moon in the night shining bright. To you and you, it feels so nice. Yes, I know Jah made this light. Say, I've seen it in China. I've seen it in Australia. I've seen it in Germany. Even in the Middle East, yeah. And though they were all different places in location, all eyes beheld the beauty of Jah creation. Only if we could take the example of the moon, yeah, it would help us to live our lives in truth. Do you hear what I say, Samson? Overhead shining bright, and you, it feels so nice. Yes, I know Jah made this light. I've seen the sun overhead shining bright. To you and you, it feels so nice. Yes, I know Jah made this light. Unto Zion day,
farmer when you give me. I saw my love when the fire blaze, you see me. Now go see me roam round like I'm a gypsy. Girl like a piece to a pot, queen to a king, bullet to a gun. What they got in common is they all belong together. And it's made me realize that love you is like the perfect love song. You're the one that you always wanna hear. And when my day's going on wrong, seeing you is like the song in my ear. So all I need is you, baby. Body to body with only you, baby. And I don't need another. 'Cause baby, what we got a perfect love song. You got me overjoyed with the love that you're giving to me. I can't say nothing more. Don't I need, I already have, 'cause you're here with me. Baby, it's you and I forevermore. Baby, you're like a plane to the sky, car to the streets, key to the ignition, baby. What they got in common is they all belong together. And it's made me realize that loving you is like the perfect love song. You always wanna hear. And when my day's going on wrong, seeing you is like a song in my ear. So all I need is you, baby. Body to body with only you, baby. And I don't need another. 'Cause baby, what we got a perfect love song.
This one is for my ladies, my sisters, my mamas, my girls. Come on, y'all.
He's all we have ever asked.
This is you, the only track one time. This one is for my ladies, my sisters, my mamas, my girls. Come on, y'all.
He's all we have ever asked for. His love, trust, and compassion. Through hell and back, still we hold on. Giving. Love me, hold me. This is what I know. Totally complete me. This I know for sure. We can find a common ground. There's no need to fool around. This is how it's going down. No one flex with we, no one vibe with we. We always show you say we care, sometimes you're never there. No one roll with we, no more of this baby. You try to go on like you're the man where I fi take a stand. No one wrong way, no one fool with. Like we love is temporary, even when you're there with we. No more playing, hear what I'm saying. Can you feel me? Tell me what you gonna do about this. All we have ever asked. His love, trust, and compassion.
And do you hear me?
Through hell and back, still we hold on. Giving. As you push, I pull, we form a love circle. I give, you take, we fall in and out of love. We have found a common ground. There's no need to fool around. This is how it's going down. There's no need to play these games. I believe we feel the same. No one chill with we, no one rest with we. You drive it one like you're this and we can't take it. No one flex with we, no one vibe with we. But when we flash it and you watch it, you expect to get it. No one love with, no one kiss with. Like we love is temporary, even though you're there with we. No more playing, hear what I'm saying. Can you feel me? Tell me what you're gonna do about me. It's all we have ever asked for. His love, trust, and compassion.
All we give.
Through hell and back, still we hold on. Giving.
Now if you feel me, say yeah.
The whole world's about to erupt. Flavor tell you revolution is a must, yeah. You know, sister, people hungry, and though some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor, I feel the same pain. Can't put the blame on the minimum wage. Things gone so bad, the whole world I complain. People hungry, and though some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor, I feel the same pain. Can't put the blame on the minimum wage. Things gone so bad, the whole world I complain. Say gas price gone up, the food price gone up, the value of the money going down so much. Whoa, the pot is boiling over. We say the pot is boiling over. That's why some take up the gun long time, take it to the street and a bust it long time. Whoa, the pot is boiling over. The pot is boiling over. True say people hungry, and though some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor have been the same pain. Can't put the blame on the minimum wage. Things gone so bad, the whole world I complain. People hungry, and though some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor have been the same pain. Can't put the blame on the minimum wage. Things gone so bad, the whole world I complain. That's why the war is inevitable. Oh, and we can't get too comfortable. No, with the way of life today. You see, we're suffering in every way, and we've seen it for so long. Everything that is going on, frustration setting in. Things don't look pretty on the scene. People hungry, and those some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor have been the same pain. Can't put the blame on the minimum wage. Things gone so bad, the whole world I complain. People hungry, and those some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor have been the same pain. Can't put the blame on the minimum wage. Things gone so bad, the whole world I complain. Yeah, no one wants to take the blame. Babylon I hide them face in shame. Whoa, whoa, while the whole world's about to erupt. Tell you it's about to erupt. Oh, tell you revolution is a must, yeah. Tell you this, whoa. I tell you now some people hungry. Those some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor I feel the same pain. Can't put the blame on the minimum wage. Things gone so bad, the whole world I complain. People hungry, and those some living in fear, them still hungry. Rich and poor I feel the same pain. Can't put the blame on.
Oh na 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 na. So in love, showing love, soaring in love, and now she's flying like a dove. So in love, surely in love, soaring in love, and now she's flying like a dove. She got the look, no mind the cute, no got spectators a look. She got the sparkling kind of love, so naturally. And now she's look, no mind the cook. She got spectators a look. She got the groovy kind of love, so naturally. Yes, woman is in love with another man. This is a ritual, but I'm a boo, you're my number one. Not because I see you on the TV, not because I love the songs on the CDs. She said, boy, I love your mood, you know I love the style. Every time I think about you, make me smile. She said, Rasta man, I see you as my soulmate. Everything about you is so great. So in love, or surely in the love, soaring in the love, and now she's flying like a dove. And while she's so in the love, soaring in the love, so in the love, and while she's flying like a dove. And now she's all about the cook, she got spectators and look, she got this sparkling kind of love, so naturally. Oh, wow, she hooked on by the cook, she got spectators and look, she got the groovy kind of love, oh, so naturally. Hey, we got something going on. We gotta keep it going strong. I certify your love, I understand your feelings. I feel it like you care. I feel it like you care.
Are we on the middle of the
Good over evil, life over there.
Singing about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. In the desolate place I earn my dough. Tell about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. I got to keep my goals them in sight. I used to live up in a one-room shack. Can't really find food that even close from my back. Roof start leak, now they have to set a pot. Water start drop, tippa, 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 tap. Oh, not the heavens, but me now look back. I some meditation, never stay on track. Know all the streets and the lanes. Hold all the heartaches and pains. Think about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. Desolate place I earn my dough. Singing about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. I got to keep my goals them in sight. I got time to swallow all my pride and credit at the corner shop. Knowing that tomorrow I can't go back. So I take a piece of paper and I take up a pen. Write a big tune, it has to hit it top 10. Select a other one, I have to lift it up again. If it works, so they do it, have to solve the problem. If you see the look in my eyes, you know I'm going for the prize. Singing about the street life. This is the only life I know. Real life. In desolate place I earn my dough. Think about the street life. This is the only life I know. Real life. I got to keep my goals them inside. Get a youth struggle, get a wise. Get a youth struggle, stay alive. Get a youth struggle, up my wise. And never you compromise. Cause in this struggle you have to hold the weapons. Trample all the heat and burn the dirty devils. Yes we got to march, yes we got to strive. Got to stay alive. Think about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. In desolate place I earn my dough. Singing about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. I got to keep my goals them in sight. I man used to live up in a one-room shack. Can't barely find food that even close from my back. Roof start leak and they have to set a pot. Water start drop, tippa, 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 tap. Oh, let me hear you say, man.
The children wake up and stop walking your sleep. Lift your heads up. It's no time to take defeat. If we're not gonna do the bed, we shall slowly push it over. Only the will let it be done. We shall slowly push it over. Yeah. Where is the love? They sing about so much. Yeah. Every day, it's the same old chorus. Yeah, they say it with their mouth, but there's a conflict in their heart. No, something to add up, a revolution, why start? Your children wake up and stop walking your sleep. Lift your heads up, it's no time to take defeat. If we're not gonna do the best, we shall slowly push it over. Only the will let it be done. We shall slowly push it over. Yeah. Let them say what they wanna say. Did they hear the people cry or feel the pain we bear? You betrayed us and you say that you care. You won't convince us with your lies. So please go the other way. Wake up and stop walking your sleep. Lift your heads up. It's no time to take defeat. If we're not gonna do the best, we shall slowly push it over. Only the will let it be done. We shall slowly push it over. Yeah. Them no fascinate way. Them can't vaccinate way. We got the right to choose our own destiny, yeah. Jaja a different way, and them not a friend way. Cause we don't come to lose, Rastafari give us a victory. Your children wake up and stop walking your sleep. Lift your heads up, it's no time to take defeat. If we're not gonna do the best, we shall slowly push it push it up.